When purchasing a ballistic door, here are 5 things to consider. First, which way is the door going to swing? Typically, it's either hinged on the left or the right-hand side, and either it's going to open into the room or it's going to open towards you. If you're looking for some additional security with the ballistic door, it's good to have the door opening away from the safe space. With the door stop around the door, it'll give you additional security when someone tries to kick it in. Other things to consider: door hardware. Every new door comes out with new door hardware. TSS offers a standard package of a continuous geared hinge, which helps transfer the weight, heavy-duty door closer, which helps with the opening and closing time along with the weight, and also a lever lock set with a storeroom function. All these components are ADA compliant. If you want to keep the existing door hardware, but you want a new door, a couple things to keep in mind. Usually with our standard doors, wood and steel, which are 1 3/4 inches, most door hardware is compatible. However, we do offer thinner doors, all glass, at 1 1/4 inches. We also have thicker doors at 2 3/8, which are aluminum storefront. Also, functionality. Do you want the door locked at all times? Do you want it to open and close electronically? Do you want to be able to see through it? These are all things to consider when making that decision. Then also, any type of local ordinances or fire codes. Because if it is a fire exit, that might affect electronically what you're trying to do with the door system. Is it tying into the main security system? All these things should be considered when making a decision on these doors. With the right recommendations, we'll be able to spec the right door and hardware for your space.